Okay, so I done finally got all the stuff up on the tray or whatever. Hold on. I done got all the stuff up on there with, like, for the exception of a few little pieces I had to keep gluing or whatever. But this is the moment of truth. Pouring this resin. I ain't never used no epoxy resin before. I done had this box of resin for over a year. Probably longer than that. Probably about a year and a half. I ain't never used it, but tonight I just decided while I'm in the house, vibing, chilling, doing what I do, I'm finna go on, see what's up. Go on, make a little DIY project or whatever. Child, I don't know where I went. Hold on, let me come back. Yeah, there I go. Had to go get my cups. I ain't had no clear measuring cups, so I made it do what it do. I measured the resin with the phone numbers on the cups to make it even and equal. Then I put a little glitter off in there because, I'm a unicorn. I like to be sparkly or whatever. Cute, shining, sprinkle, little razzle dazzle. So this is me stirring it up. Now, this is where I almost cuss. Can I cuss on here? I don't know. But this is where I almost effed up at. My wrist work was too hard. I mean, I was whipping that like I was whipping. We ain't gonna talk about it, but I was whipping it. But you can't whip it too hard. You gotta whip it slow, because if you whip it too hard, it's gonna put bubbles in the resin. So I had bubbles all in the resin, y'all. Watch this. Y'all finna see it. It was a disaster, but it's always room for correction. Look at it. You can't even you can't even see it. I don't see nothing but an eye in. But I came back though. I came back with the blow dryer. Don't even mind like the little dust particles blowing. I don't know what that is because it wasn't even dusty over here, but whatever. I came back. I blow dried the bubbles out. And I think it turned out good. I'm waiting on it to dry, like all the way dry. Like, but right now it look good to me. And I'm ready to make me a grown people vegetable wrap on that joint. I ain't lying, Look, oh, look at her.